Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel for your love reading. Okay, so I already uploaded one video in which there were messages for yourself, Aquarius, for you basically. That was the collective messages which I was getting for lovely Aquarius. That was not specifically love messages or something like that, but these were important messages which were requiring for you, so you can have a look on that. So please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for January 2021. I was lost for 1 second. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, Aquarius, and thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel, for supporting my channel, for commenting beautiful messages to me. I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. So because this is the general love messages, so this is not going to resonate with each of you. So let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Okay, first message for you is King of Swords. Then there is Three of Pentacles. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? January love reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. There is Six of Swords and there is King of Cups. Any other message? Page of Cup. Any other message? There is a Judgment. Page of Wands. Knight of Cup. Ten of Pentacle. Seven of Cups. Okay, let me see, is there any other message? Any other message? Magician. Any other message for Aquarius? Hermit. Hermit. Temperance. Wow, Aquarius. Queen of Cup. Five of Swords. And Six of Wands. So you're getting success, Aquarius. You're keeping your patience with you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Seven of Wands here. So your defenses are very much high. You are taking the energy of King of Swords and you are coming towards the calmer waters here. The Six of Swords is here. You are emotionally unavailable, emotionally detached. You know the truth. You are someone who loves the truth, truth seeker, truth giver. Okay, King of Swords is someone who knows the truth basically. But here someone is there around you, Aquarius, who is the King of Cups, and they are coming towards you with a small message or an apology saying sorry my Aquarius, but they want to offer the cup. Okay, cup is all about emotions, and can you see in both pictures they're holding a cup, and here the cup is not empty, there is a fish here. So there is someone around you who is trying to offer you emotions, a stability, because king of cups is someone who is emotionally stable, okay, and who knows the values of emotions. And here I'm having king of cup and queen of cup both. Okay, so this is your divine counterpart. Some of you Aquarius, you are dealing with your twin flame, your soulmate, your life partner, soulmate, whatever you can call it. This is your pair here. Okay, they're coming towards you, they're saying, they maybe you will receive a message. Okay, you will receive a message from them, and they want to share their cup with you, and that's the judgment here. That's the judgment which is being made by the divine. And this is what I can see from this reading is, this is a connection where the divine is playing an important role. Can you see here, judgment and the temperance? Here also the divine is here, there is also in here there is an angel. So yes, this is the divine connection. Okay, there is someone around you who is trying to give you some kind of small new passion. Okay, they're igniting your passion, and there is knight of cup. They're coming towards you, they to offer you love, romance. Okay, they want to share their cup with you, and they want to give you 10 of pentacles, and this is beautiful. They want to give you abundance of everything. 10 of pentacle, 10 of pentacle is all about abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of everything. They want to give you beautiful energy. I am getting beautiful, very positive energy towards you Aquarius. This is very positive energy. Okay, this is very positive energy, and they want to share their cup towards you. There is lot of cup energy in today's reading. Only there is hardly one here. Five of swords. Okay, rest, there is lot of wands and lot of cups energy towards you in today's reading. Maybe some of you Aquarius are having lots of options to choose. Here there is seven of cups. You may be having lots of options in your life to choose basically, but you are manifesting something Aquarius. You are manifesting something. There is magician, there is hermit, there is temperance. Beautiful. These three cards are the major arcanas, and these are very powerful cards. You're manifesting something, you're doing your inner work, you're trying to keep your patience and trying to balance here. Can you see these? This angel is pouring the cup one into two, and these three cups can tell me that this is very powerful relationship Aquarius. Okay, this is the relationship on which the divine is taking care of. This relationship, you're doing your soul searching, you're working on your inner self. Okay, the hermit card is here. You are asking your soul that what your soul is wanting, and you are manifesting something Aquarius. There is a magician here, and this is the queen of cups. This is you. Maybe there are some conflicts around you Aquarius, but you will get success, recognition, victory. Okay, there may be a conflicts around you with this five of swords, but do not worry at all, because you're going to get success, recognition, victory. Here I'm having king of cup and queen of cup. Beautiful combination. Queen of cup is someone who uses their intuitions and emotionally stable, and here there is king of cup and queen of cup. You both are offering cup to each other. Beautiful energy for you Aquarius. Let me see. I need to clarify the magician. Can you clarify me the magician? Why there is magician? Page of wands and 10 of pentacles. You're manifesting your 10 of pentacles Aquarius. You want abundance of everything, and you are getting it. Can you see? There is a 10 of pentacles. There is some loyal, stable, committed person. This is the loyal one, okay, who is coming towards you. They're igniting your passion. Maybe they're trying to give you some kind of passion here, and you are manifesting that. Here the page of wands and page of wands. Can you see how this girl is playing with this wand? Okay, so they're igniting your passion. Maybe you're receiving some kind of small passion or new idea, new creative idea. Okay, but you're getting success. Whatever it is, you're getting success. You're coming towards a calmer waters for sure. And you're dealing with your divine counterpart. This is not a normal relationship. This is something on which the divine is taking care of. And in the extended, I'm going to take these cards in a depth, in a deeper level, so that I can tell you more. But here what I can see is that you will receive some kind of small message from your divine counterpart. Okay, Aquarius, you are doing your inner work, you're keeping your patience, you are doing your manifestations. Maybe you are having lots of options to choose, but you want emotional stability, you want your divine counterpart in your life. Maybe there are some conflicts around you, but do not worry, you will get success, recognition, victory in your life. Okay, there is someone around you who is trying to give you love, romance, and 10 of pentacle here, abundance of everything. They're coming towards you to offer their cup to you. Now let me see, let me add some message from the oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Here, bottom of the deck, again I'm having the judgment and the star. There is a judgment which is which is happening for you by the divine. There is some kind of judgment which is taking place in your life by the divine, Aquarius. Okay, there are new hopes, new desires which are coming for you. Any other message? 1 minute. Okay, any other message for Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Give me any other message if there is any other message. Some of you Aquarius are feeling like an hangman. You are unable to move in a forward direction, but do not worry. The tower is here, the hangman is here. So some unexpected changes are coming towards you. I'm getting tower from last 3 or 4 readings for you Aquarius. But do not worry at all, because this is not a bad tower. This is a good tower, because good things are coming for you. Because you are in a stagnation period, you are feeling like an hangman, you are unable to move in a forward direction. That's why the divine has to intervene in your situation. Divine has to intervene in your situation too, so that you can make the necessary changes which are requiring to happen, which are necessary to do in your life. Okay, so the tower is here. So something is shaking up your life so that you can make the necessary changes in your life. Any other message? Any other message? Okay, there is death and there is Hierophant. There is moon here. So there were some secrets which was hidden from you Aquarius. There may be, see that, but that situation is going to end and you are rising as an empress. Maybe you are committed to someone here. The Hierophant is here. Maybe you are in a relationship in which you are committed. Okay, see, that's why the devil is here. So you were in a karmic relationship, you were in a toxic relationship, but that situation is going to end. That situation was very toxic. There is an Hierophant. So either you were committed to this person or you were married to this person in the past. Okay, but now there is a sun here. The situation, this thing is going to end Aquarius. There is new beginning which is coming towards you in your love life. There is a lovers here. There are new happy beginnings which are happening for you. Whatever toxicity was there in your life, because of that you are feeling like stagnant or stuck or feeling like an hangman, that situation is going to end Aquarius, and you will come towards a calmer waters here. I can see that. Let's add some activation oracle time. See, these 2 cards just fallen out from the deck. There is a change which is coming for you and there is a soul time. But let me see more. Let me see more. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? I have already pre-shuffled all the cards before starting your reading. So let's see. Any other message for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Again, the message has come for you. Okay. The first card for you is Cosmic Flower. The frequency of Cosmic Flower activates our remembrance of the place we call home, the core from which we pour our magnificence into the world. Beautiful. And there is fertility here. As I told you that you are rising as an emperor, you are birthing new ideas. Either some of you Aquarius are getting pregnant, and if you're not pregnant, then you're birthing new ideas. You're creating something very beautiful. You're giving birth to new ideas. The frequency of fertility invites us to be more open, more courageous, more creative, and more joyful than we were before. It activates the potential for something beautiful to grow from our consciousness into a new and grander expression of ourself. Okay, that's the message. And there is solar plexus chakra. This solar plexus chakra is getting activated in you Aquarius, and some of you Aquarius has to work on their solar plexus chakra. Okay, the frequency of solar plexus chakra, the yellow flower of life, supports our sense of self, our personal power, and our willpower, as well as our knowing of who we are and what our contribution is to the whole. So beautiful message for you Aquarius. Then there is Markaba. The frequency of Markaba supports our ability to use our consciousness to transverse into the layers of reality and dimensions. It activates our access to our Akashic inheritance, as well as merging the totality of our experience into the present to serve our highest purpose. As you know that you're getting transformed Aquarius, transformation is taking place. So it is very important you to know that this is here the card which is telling you that it will help you out to serve your highest purpose. Okay, it is getting activated and you will be able to serve your highest purpose. Okay, then there is Gaia. The frequency of Gaia reminds us that we are infinitely connected to one another, as we are the great mother and the universe that births us all. Beautiful message here from the Gaia that we all are here for a reason and we all are connected to each other. There is a Gaia message here. Okay, we are all connected to the great mother and the universe that births us all. So you are not alone Aquarius, we all are connected to each other. Then there is soul time. The frequency of soul time asks us to allow the possibility of a new reality to emerge, one that embraces the concept that while the corporal body is mortal, the soul is timeless, limitless, and infinite. Okay, so this is the time for your soul time, and this is getting activated. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one or two cards from the yogic path, and this is very beautiful deck Aquarius. This color is so beautiful, the cards are so beautiful. Let's add some message from the yogic path. Let's see what are the messages from this deck, and then I will close it out your reading. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world for January 2021? Please give me the message which are important to deliver. Can you give me one more? Is there any other message? No. Hanuman. Okay. Hanuman has here, as you know, Hanuman is here. Hanuman is a god here for us, and let's read it out for you. I'm going to read it out from the book so that you can get the exact meaning of this card. Hanuman represents the evoke mind and the potential we all have to no longer be enslaved to our thoughts but rather suppress them. When Lord Ram asks Hanuman, "How do you look upon me?" Hanuman answers, "When I believe I am the body, then I am your faithful servant. When I know I am the soul, I know myself to be a spark of your eternal light. And when I have a vision of truth, you and I, my Lord, are the one and the same." To draw upon Hanuman symbolizes you are aware of this truth. You are more than your physical body, your ego self, your personality, your soul. The truth is that you are the divine, and as we are all split from the same source. Continue to practice meditative states where you are reminded of this universal truth to aid in your environment. Okay, so this is the message from this deck. Beautiful message from this deck, Aquarius. As you know that we are all one. Okay, that's the message from here. You have to know this. If you do not know, then know that. Okay. So in the extended, I'm going to take these cards in the deeper level so that I can get more messages for you, Aquarius. So I'm going to do the clarification in the extended. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.